In conclusion, you've now seen how to do automations with Zapier with apps resident in its database. Remember, you can start with applications that you are using by typing them in the search bar, then selecting them, and then determining whether or not some of the apps you're currently using can be used for automation. Another way to look at the search is to do so by filtering categories so that we can look at which ones fit within a certain parameter, and they might be applications we might look to attain. Remember that using Zapier, you can scroll down to the very bottom to take a look at the app details to determine whether or not most of the actions are triggers or considered to be actions or searches, and that'll give you some indication as to how many available integrations there are and what nature they can be used to serve your purposes. Remember, we can look at our available zaps and we can set them in motion at any time by running them, although they run automatically on predicted intervals. You'll also recall that we can connect more than one account on the same platform to use them interchangeably in our zaps. And finally, if you remember, the goal is to keep you from manually transferring data over and over again between two applications. So even with a free plan, you can always look for available applications to integrate and automate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.